Alright, so I got the yz125 fired up. So it's 2026 70th anniversary. We're gonna head out to the track. We got a beginner track and intermediate track here. It's called the MX Landing. It's in Easton, Maryland. So it's a fun little track. It's got a pro track so you can stay open for now just because there's a lot of guys over there and I don't want to be in the way. There's a little bit of guys over there I can run over real quick. I don't want to be in the way of everybody else. So let's go check it out real quick. Alright, so let's jump over to this beginner track here. It's real simple, it's going to be great for the kids. They do allow four-wheelers under a certain age here, but just on the beginner track. So you're going to have two kind of bigger hills on the outside, one small on the inside. But if your kid's not up for it, even the bigger hills on the outside, they have go-arounds, so you can go around if you want to. You have to go over the little hill in the middle, but it's tiny. If they're not ready for that little hill yet, you should practice the cars if they could. So just go ahead and watch a couple more minutes of it, and then it's a quick track. We'll jump over to the other side. Alright, now let's jump over to the intermediate track real quick. It's a little bit bigger, and it has tabletops, no doubles, so anything you don't hear isn't that big of a deal. But quick little track, we'll run through it real quick. Yeah, this is first thing in the morning. This is also my sight lap. They don't change the track very often, but sometimes there's still kickers from the time riding before, so you just gotta make sure you look out for it. A little muddy out here, so having some trouble just keeping the front tires straight around the turns. Nothing's ruddy yet. It's pretty muddy, but either way, it's a good time. So once it gets rutted up pretty good, you can get pretty